inflation-proof your finances with these powerful strategies. Let's protect your money from rising prices. Start by diversifying your investments. Consider inflation-resistant assets like real estate and commodities. Invest in yourself. Upgrade your skills for higher earning potential. Build an emergency fund to weather financial storms. Adjust your budget regularly to account for price increases. Cut unnecessary expenses without sacrificing quality of life. Look for fixed-rate loans to lock in lower interest rates. Negotiate for salary increases that outpace inflation. Explore side hustles to boost your income. Invest in dividend-paying stocks for passive income growth. Consider I-bonds and tips for inflation-protected savings. Review and optimize your insurance coverage. Remember, smart financial moves today secure your tomorrow. Stay proactive, stay informed, and watch your wealth grow.